Today I'm going to show you a cool new feature in Xcode 11 called environment overrides for your simulator. And it's a great way to test multiple things like dark mode, light mode, dynamic type, accessibility features, all in real time on your simulator. So let me show you how to do that. Here, this button right down here, a little toggle button, if you click that, pulls up the environment overrides menu. And you can see here, you can click this on, you can change between dark and light mode. So if you want to be testing your app in the different dark and light modes, you can see how you can easily switch to that on the fly. Great for testing. Also text here, if we flip this toggle, now we get dynamic type. So here in our simulator, our bio and our GitHub label are configured for dynamic type. So you can see you can drag this slider and you can see super small text, and then you can drag it all the way to the right to see super large text. And it's like, whoa, okay, we need to do some work for the very large dynamic type. You can see our GitHub Since labels being cut off with the super duper large type. And again, this is a super quick way that you can test it, test your UI on the fly very quickly. So this comes in handy a lot. As you can see, I'm dragging the slider. You can see my text adjusting. And then you can also test out some accessibility features with this toggle, right? You can do increased contrast. You can see that change a little bit, right? I'm clicking, unclicking. Bold text, like what does it look like with in your app bold? You can see, okay, with bold text, my button truncates in the middle. So got to figure out a fix for that. Button shapes, this will put up the underscores underneath the buttons so users know when to hit them. Smart invert, you can see this will invert. And if we go back to light mode and smart invert, we get this nice little color combination. So anyway, just wanted to show you a quick video about how you can easily test your app in the simulator, again, between light and dark mode, dynamic type on the fly, any accessibility features. This is a great new addition to Xcode 11 to very quickly test your apps in different scenarios. So hope you enjoyed this quick video. We'll catch you in the next one.